backdoor means to get in contact with another person. You need to understand that this relationship, look at me, this relationship is over. And now I see he's picked up a criminal mischief. Are you telling me the criminal mischief happened prior to the terroristic threat?
Your Honor, it's in the probable cause statement. The allegations are that it happened on or about August the 8th. And I believe the terroristic threat was the same day. So they didn't file it.
Okay, Mr. Khalifa. So let's do probable cause, but I don't even know what happened. Please.
Thank you.
All right, let's pause. He's out on bond for a terroristic threat and felony assault, and now criminal mischief gets added to the mix. That's not just a red flag. It's a full-blown legal fireworks show. Is this reckless behavior, or is he spiraling deeper into the system?
On August 6th, in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officers and their complainant were advised that she is the defendant's wife and they have one child together. The complainant stated that the defendant damaged her vehicle, causing $1,921 in damage. The complainant stated that on August 6th, her vehicle that she solely owns was parked in a gated apartment parking lot located at 2929 Rolito Drive in Harris County, Texas. The complainant obtained a surveillance video from the leasing office of the defendant damaging the side mirror of her car with his hands. The paint on the vehicle was damaged with an unknown object. Photos were also obtained showing the damage to the car. The vehicle was taken to the repair shop and given an estimate of $1,921 for repair. The defendant is currently on bond in Harris County for a terroristic threat and assault of a family member with previous conviction against the same complainant.
Okay. Have you reached out to the complaining witness since this has been filed?
Yes.
He's not had any contact, right?
So she did say that she believes that he's been contacting her and leaving voicemails and text messages.
I sure hope to hell not.
I never do this. Never observe.
Judge, she also says
And can I say something if you don't mind?
She also says that she believes that he created a fake Facebook account and was sending her requests as a friend request. And I believe she also said he tried to send her messages through Facebook as well.
Prove it. Because if you can, I'm going to.
This is where it gets intense. Fake Facebook accounts and backdoor contact. If proven, it's a serious violation. The judge is crystal clear. Cross this line, and you're headed straight to jail. Should digital stalking be punished as harshly as in-person violations? What do you think?
Put his butt in jail in a heartbeat. So you need to do what you can. If he is somehow contacting her through some kind of one reason or the other, Mr. Khalifa, I swear on everything that's holy, if you are trying to reach her one way or the other, if they prove it to me, I'm going to make your bond so high your teeth are going to fall out. Do you understand? No contact means no contact from any source. Social media, smoke signals, Snapchat.
I understand from now on it, no even see her pictures. But I never contact her.
Prove it. Elena, get it. Show me. If you can show me that it's him, one way or the other, I'll hog time.
I'm the one, I have messages from her.
When we do court orders, we mean business, Mr. Khalifa. And I don't appreciate it if someone is trying to use backdoor means to get in contact with another person. You need to understand that this relationship, look at me, this relationship is over. It is over. There are a gajillion other fish in the sea, Mr. Khalifa. Find someone else. But this one's over. You have children with this person.
I just want to say something. It's
Your
not
Honor,
against
just let me talk.
Do you
Your Honor,
have children with this? Does he have
He
children?
does, Your Honor, and I believe there's a protective order that was signed by a family law court. At the last setting, I think you amended the order to allow him to have contact with his daughter,
Right.
with his mother facilitating it.
Okay.
As you know, I'm not a family law attorney, but
No,
I
sir.
think there's another protective order from a family law court that might trump that.
I just want to say one word, please.
So I've
I
advised,
don't- Is, as long as it's not about the case, you can, Mr. Khalifa.
About the protective order about my daughter.
Well, is it the one that I issued or another judge issued?
it's another judge, Your
Excuse
Honor.
my English.
Was it the domestic violence court, the 280th, or who was it? Do you know, Mr. England?
I did download it. I don't have it pulled up here, but
You can always go back and ask them to amend it. The worst they can tell you is no.
You know what? She always stay with me, my daughter. She never had it for 1 hour. You know what? She did the protective order and she gave it to my mom, not even in her apartment.
I've advised him to get a lawyer.
Understand, if you don't agree with the protective order, go back and ask them to amend it.
From where I can afford all of this attorneys, I'm taking employment now. You know what?
I mean, I've given you a lawyer here. I
have a
can't give you a
video
lawyer
version
there.
of my car.
Look.
Yeah.
I'm only trying to help you with your daughter, Mr. Khalifa.
I need
About
my
all
daughter.
this other
That's what
stuff.
I need my daughter. That's it. I'm sorry, I'm diabetic. I'm so sorry.
Look, it's okay.
Yeah, I just need my daughter, you know. I don't know why she took it if she doesn't even have it in her apartment for 1 hour. She left it with my mom, disability. She has a mental problem. She stay with my mom. So even I cannot go and see my mom. So how come? If she love her daughter, why she doesn't have it?
Look, this is not the
Go
court.
back,
This is a
go
different.
back. So what, are you working now?
No, I'm taking employment. How I'm gonna work with the GPS monitor if she has 20 years protective order of me? So why you put me this one? I'm diabetics too. Even I'm always like etching, like no.
Because I don't want you to go over there. That's why I put it on there.
Okay, I have already protective. I will never be there. Why I have to go there? I'm sorry.
Just-
You still should be able to work even though you have the monitor on your ankle. That's not preventing you from working. If you want to work,
I'm diabetics who are very bad diabetics. I'm taking like 7, 8 insulin, shotting like every day.
that prevents you from working.
No, but I can work like something like office job. This is what I used to do. I used to be a supervisor of 11 locations of overstock furniture, sir. Under me was 160
So
employees.
why aren't you trying to go get another job?
I cannot, my background. And guess what? The one she did felony on me, I'm sorry to talk to you. This is DA. This is all I have a people statement.
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't want to
just-
talk about the
Yeah,
case.
but this is false case. Yeah.
Okay. Look, this is only Miss.
Look, the only thing I'm going to tell you now, and I'm just going to do it one more time. If you want to visit your daughter, you need to go to the family court and ask them to amend the order so that you can get access to the child.
I'm gonna do it.
Let me talk. So it is in the 280th, Your Honor. It looks like it was issued August 22nd of this year.
So it's just issued. And what is it? What is it about? What does it say?
It's just a protective order and it looks like it was a default.
Because I do not show at the.
Watch this part closely. He's emotional, defensive, and trying to rewrite the story. But the judge stays calm, focused on solutions. The message: go back to family court. Get access the right way. This is the turning point. Will he follow legal advice or keep digging himself deeper?
I'm sorry again. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Look, when you don't go, they get whatever they want. You have
I
to
have a
go.
lot to say, but you know.
If you have a lot to say, then go. But you not going, she's going to get whatever she wants. You can ask them to reopen it, to amend it, to fix it, to give you access. But if you don't go, that's your own damn fault. You have to go.
Advisor, attorney to help me out. I don't know where. That's it.
There's got to be some kind of, you know what I would do? Go to the law schools, okay? The law schools have legal clinics with lawyers that can help you out.
Law school.
Right. Go.
Our legal aid.
I called them. They told me no.
Okay, then go to another one. Don't just give up. Go to, if you hit one roadblock, get up, dust yourself off, hit the next one.
I want to tell you something. I got bachelor degree, okay, I have a bachelor degree. Like, I never did I was born here in Texas. I never had any ticket in my life or any background or anything.
Okay.
All this happened from the lady. You know why? Because she had a deportation and I don't know before.
Look, we're not in
So
trial.
you're telling me that one person can get under your skin so much
Yes, sir.
that they have now caused you to get 4 different
You
criminal
want to know why,
cases?
sir?
Look,
No, I don't care.
please, let's not.
I don't understand how you were not mentally strong enough to move on and get away.
Because this is not happening. Whatever she said.
All right, we'll have our day in court. Just today, now's not the time. All right?
I'm sorry.
Listen, go back to the family court,
I will.
ask them to reopen it. And I'm sure that because it's a default, hopefully they will, and they'll give you at least some limited access. Don't try to contact this person because I'm telling you now,
I don't at all.
if they show me that there are,
Can
we
I
have
say
issues.
something, please?
No, that's all I want you to know. All right. Yes, Mr. Elik and Mr. Khalifa, the bond conditions I put on you now, just no drugs, no alcohol, no contact, no going within 200 feet of where they live, where they work. Don't contact, and that's it. As long as you can abide by these conditions, you and I will be friends. You understand? Okay, I hope not. Okay, Mr. Elik.
No, because he said 200 foot.
Just from the complaining witness in this case. That's it.
My mom cross the street, so how?
I'm not doing anything with your mom.
She's not a part of this.
She's not a part of it.
Talk to Mr. Eulich.
Your mom has nothing to do with this, just the complaining witness. That's it.